I think I have done absolutely bonkers with this. Some kind of drive that I think this is not perfect, this is not good enough, I need to do better. So just the power module, it's this. Jesus Christ, what is happening? Everything has an enclosure, everything's gonna be waterproofed, kind of, definitely dustproof. And if you want to, expand to from one line to 2 lines, I got these now, double, let me just twist it around, double holding ones. It's just, 1 second. I think I'm going crazy with all of this. I like a perfectionist, and I got this frame that I'm loving so much, and this will be just all, I don't know, am I going over the top with everything? I think I am, but am I really? Because this will be looking so good in the basement or somewhere. Obviously it'll be all covered up, but with all the lids, but damn! I think I'm going over the top with the Arduino Modbus Project. Just tell me now, let me know if I'm crazy or not. I think I am, but should I release all the STL files for everyone to be able to print it? Probably yes, but is there enough maniacs to actually want deployment with this kind of enclosures? I don't know. Time will tell, but I'm enjoying this. Alright, that's it. Enough of a rambling for a Friday. Cheers.